Biasanya dari apa?
Guru. Polisi. Polisi.
Polisi. Dokter.
Dokter. Dokter.
Dokter.
Polisi.
Polisi apa?
These are the dreams of children, full of hope, full of possibility. But for many children in Bandar Lampung, those dreams are slowly fading. Because this is their reality. This is Bakung landfill, where survival often comes before education, while children grow up surrounded by waste instead of classroom. Indonesia ranks 69 out of 77 countries in global learning assessment. But here, the challenge goes beyond statistic. Children face irregular school attendance, economic pressure to work, and limited support at home. Even community learning centers depend on volunteers, making education inconsistent and difficult to sustain. That is why we created SUARA, Smart Understanding AI for Urban Access, an offline voice-based AI tutor designed for low-cost Android device. Children don't need to read or type, they simply speak. SUARA listens, understand their response even with local dialects, and provide clear, encouraging audio guidance. Children start with a simple voice setup, then choose between reading and numeracy lessons, all fully offline. Inside each lesson, they interact with SUARA, our voice assistant, using simple visuals and speaking their answers. No reading required. SUARA gives instant feedback and rewards progress, making learning engaging and easy to follow. With SUARA, we aim to increase literacy from 30 to 55% in 1 year, while reducing costs to just $13 per child. SUARA works fully offline, uses voice, and runs on low-cost devices, making it scalable across underserved communities. Because every child deserves a chance to learn. SUARA, giving every child a voice in their education.